Santa needs an elf. Yuli, Santa needs an elf. You want to be? Yes, good job. Yay, want to be an elf? Let's go show Santa what a great elf you could be. Yuli, let's go. Good job. Get close. Uh-oh, get close. Good job. So let's show Santa that you can go to the spot and stay there and wait for him, like when he's filling the stockings. So let's go. Go hop on your box and you wait there. Uh-oh, up. There it is. Good boy. That was very good. That was very good. Good job. Okay, come here. Can you sit and wait? Good boy. Good boy. Let's show Santa how you can gather toys to help him fill his sleigh. So, okay, go fetch it up. And let's put him in a bit. You gotta fetch it up, Betty. Yuli. There you go. Good job. And get your Mr. Sun. Yay, good job. And get your purse. There you go. Put it in Santa. Put it in the bin. Come here, Yuli. Yes, very good. Boy, that was very good. Leave it. Let's get a cookie for that. That was very good. Yuli, come. Come. Sit. Good boy. That was very good. Good. Let's show Santa that you can be a toy tester and play reindeer games. Ready? Okay, let's take it to the hoop. Almost. You try that again. Try it again. Almost. Try it again. That was very good. What a good boy. Good job. Okay, come. Shush. Let's show Santa that you can test the toys and make sure they're safe. Yuli, come. Leave it. Thank you. We're done with that one. We're done with that toy. Come here. Let's get in your chair. Get in the chair. I know the ball's up. Come on, get in the chair, turn around. There you go. There you go. I know that ball was distracting, but that was very good. You got in the chair and showed him that you could get in there. Good job. Good job. Let's go and show him that you can ride like a good boy in his sleigh. Okay, come here. Come here. Yuli. You will have to wait. To wait for Santa to tell you to get in. Good, wait. Good. Okay. There you go. Good job. Good. Good boy. Yes, you got in. Good job. And let's go for a nice ride. Look how good you are. Good. Leave it. Good. Good boy. Look how good that is. Good job. Good job. Good. Good. Very good. You rode so nice in the sleigh. Good job. Let's come on out. Now I think we're ready to go write our letter to Santa. Let's go. Good job. Let's go write our letter. Get close. Good. So hop up. Sit. Very nice. And let's write the letter. So can you write your letter? Good. Good job. And when you're done, put your chin down. Yeah, good job. Good job. That was very good. Good job. Okay, come. Yuli, you sit. Wait 2 seconds. Sit. Good, sit. We better check the mail. Santa might have answered us already. So, come here. Close. Sit. Okay. Let's check the mail. Oh my gosh, there's a letter. What's it say? Come, bring it to me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see what it says. Yuli, come. Can you sit? Good. Santa said yes. Yes, you get to be. Yay, you get to be an elf. What a good boy. Good thing you got a big coat so you can go to the North Pole. Come here. Are you excited? Are you excited? You are. Good job. Can you lay down? Can you move over? Yay! What a good boy! You can do all of that. And you know what? For all those parties that they have at the North Pole, Let's show him that you can dance and dance around the Christmas tree. No, that's not a thing. Let's show him how you can spin this way, and you can spin that way. Hush. Come here. Now, show him. Yeah, you can dance around me. That's really pretty cool. And then let's oops, buddy. Kind of backed up into the tree. Knock the star off. Let's try that. Come here. Yuli, come. There you go. Now, there you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good boy. Good job. Good job. That was pretty good dance. That was crazy dancing. You sit. So the last thing we have to show Santa is that you can pack yourself and be ready to go. So we're gonna sit. Show him how well you can pack yourself and get in a box and be ready for Christmas. Hop in the box. Hop in. Good job. Good job. Tuck it in. Good job, buddy. All the way. Lay down. There you go. Good job. Good job. Tuck in. Good job. Good job. Tuck in. Lay down. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yay! What a good Christmas elf. Okay. Up. Sit. You sit. Good job. Good boy. There you go. Shut that again. Awesome. Good job. We're done.